Hey, I'm Jessica Chinyelu, and along with Afterpay, I'm here to show you a better way to store baking supplies. I am all about food. I enjoy baking my famous chocolate chip cookies, as well as prepping for the family get-togethers. Now let me tell you, I just recently got my kitchen and my pantry organized. And there is nothing greater than having better canisters. It makes cooking in my kitchen so much more enjoyable. As I laid my eyes on that ProKeepers Plus Baker storage set, I had to get my hands on it. Not only do they stack to save space, totally transforming your pantry, but each one comes with a special tool built right inside that makes cooking so much faster and easier. Now there are two ways to use the sugar canisters. The regular way, or you can flip and pour. Then there's the flour canister. It comes with a magnetic built-in leveler, and also you can use a scoop as well to get that flour out. But my favorite is the brown sugar canister. It comes with a terracotta disc that you soak to keep your brown sugar soft. I tell you, these are a game changer. They're such a simple way to keep your pantry organized. Just imagine seeing all these canisters on your shelves with all that extra space. It's gonna make you go, ooh! I don't know about you, but I can't wait to do my baking this year. And with Afterpay, you don't have to wait. You can upgrade all of your canisters with 4 payments of around $25 every 2 weeks. Go and get yours.